Pixie Poo. Today I'm back at you with another review, which is sponsored by earlytobed.com. If you go on the Early to Bed website and you use my link and you use the discount code CHASE16, everyone wins. Early to Bed wins because you got their product. I win because you used my link and I get commission, and you win because you get a discount using my link and my discount code. So use both and do that. Anyways, what am I talking about today? Today we're going back to basics. I feel like I haven't made a video about packing underwear in forever. We all know that I make my videos way before because I'm so busy all the time, but this time I'm actually making the video that's related to the actual month that I'm posting it in, kind of a little bit, maybe a month in advance. But I'm gonna talk about underwear, and I'm super excited to review new products in the future. And if you have any recommendations of products from Early to Bed or any other website that you'd like me to review, I would absolutely love to do that. This is the job that I love to do, so please let me know. Today we are going to be reviewing a product by SpareParts. If you remember that name, if that name recalls or rings a tiddling bell, it's because they make the Jock harness, which is my harness that I prefer for the sec. It is super comfortable, you don't have to readjust it, and it's tight in all the right places. They also make packing underwear. Don't know if you knew that. So I am going to be reviewing Pete. This is underwear trunks. So it's the underwear that got your back, your front, and everything in between. Created exclusively for soft packing. Works with a wide variety of packer brands, sizes, and shapes. Option to have packer directly against your skin for full contact or to cover it. Gives even a small packer the realistic bulge appearance of a flaccid penis. Secure fit allows you to move freely with zero fear that the packer will shift, dislodge, or dislodge. Oh my god, that sounds so dramatic. Lightweight and breathable, they will pull moisture away from the body to keep you cool, dry, and comfortable all day. Additional elastic straps sewn inside the pouch for extra security. That is awesome. So just to let you know, medium is size 32 to 34. So before I put them on, I want to show you what they look like. They look very sleek, very discreet. They don't look like packing underwear. What does that even look like? There's nothing on the band, but it does say SpareParts on the side right here. And if we flip it on the outside here, this is what it looks like. So it is black, right? So, and I think all their products are either black or purple. I don't know. Oh no, I've actually seen red. I don't know if they make the underwear a different color, but so this panel here is mesh. It's like a mesh panel. Also, please wash these before, right? So what you would do is you would put the packer, oh my god, this is so complicated. I'm gonna show you with an actual packer. I'm showing you, you open up the curtains. They like curtains at SpareParts. And then there's an elastic here, and then there's a hole for the wiener. And then the wiener goes through here. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna put a packer that is adhered to my body first, and then put the underwear on, and then I'm gonna put a packer that isn't adhered to my body and put it in the actual pouch. All right, so here it is on my body. Look at that bubble butt. The material is very spandexy, kind of like a swimsuit, kind of. And if I look at the wiener, it's nicely placed. I am currently wearing the Gender Mender 3-inch super soft AMAZEBALLZ at self-adhesive packer. That is a mouthful, I know, and that was reviewed on my channel this last month I lied. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, the pouch. So let me take that out and put another packer in. If you're wondering what that packer looked like, by the way, this is what it looked like. So it's squishy and stuff like that. So now the packer that I am wearing is the Real Magik basic packer. So not the super duper big ones, but just the basic packer. This is an all-time favorite of mine. This is now inside in the curtain and stuff like that. So honestly, packing underwear or packing underwear, I really like this because it's really comfortable, but let's just try it out with an STP because I feel like that's a lot of people. I would say this is really nice though because it doesn't touch your actual skin, and a lot of people don't like that. I don't really like that because it's sweaty, and because this is moisture, this is actually pretty comfortable. Yeah, I could actually wear these. This company also has kind of a Jock one, which I am gonna get to review, so don't worry about that. And if you're wondering what the packer looked like, this is what it looked like. The moment of truth, the Jimmy STP. So the Jimmy STP, I've reviewed it. I'll put in the description below. Oh my god, that dick! So it is squishy. So the reason it's like that is because I put it in the actual hole, but you don't need to put it in the actual hole. You can just put it in, and then it'll compress it more, and it won't look like you have such a big dick. But if you do that, then you can't pee out of it with this. With this way, you'll look like you have a big bulge, but you can pee out of it. But then when you put it back in, it's Hello! It's not that big, but you know. I guess if you're wearing pants though, it like squishes it down, so it's not bad. And then one more, just for good measure. This is the STP by Real Magik. So let me show you here. It's hard, I know, because it's black, but this is what it looks like on the side. So it's a nice bulge. The thing with this is that it's an STP, so it has to ride pretty low for the thing. But the problem with this is that there's no real hole to take out the wiener. So it's almost like you would have to take off your pants. I was about to take my pants off, oh my god, in order to pee, because there is a hole in the pants that you can put the thing through, but I would be very careful with that. Because you don't want to break this STP, because the Real Magik STP is very expensive. Okay, no, it works. Okay, it works. You would wear it like this, and then you would pee, and then you would just put this thing back around. Okay, perfect. Oh my god, I found underwear that the Real Magik fucking STP actually works in. Fantastic. This is a great learning experience for both of us. I'm just gonna keep these on while I do the outro to this video, because these are really comfortable. All right, well, I actually really like these packing underwear. There are some packing underwear that I'm not like super big fan of, but by far these are one of my favorites. I really like FTM Down Under. Some of the rodeo ones are good, not all of them, but some of them are really good. So yeah, so I would actually recommend trying out. SpareParts is just a really good company, honestly, and they have really good customer service, and they're really friendly. So if you were to just message them and be like, look, what best packing underwear, I'm sure that they could get back to you and let you know. I really like these. I'm really excited to try the other one where it's more kind of like a jock, because that's what I like brief underwear, right? So it would be a lot more comfortable, I think, for me. But in terms of boxers, I could definitely see myself wearing these, especially traveling with these, because I don't think that these actually hold a lot of scent. And the reason why is because of the material that they're using. So the thing with packing underwear is you have to buy like more than one, because you can't wear the same underwear every day. But at least with this, it's not like if you don't change your underwear for one day, you're gonna die. It's not gonna happen because of the material. I think you'll be okay if you accidentally wear it 2 days in a row, you know? All right, let me know what you think. Thank you again to Early to Bed for sending me these products. I really appreciate it and I love it. If you have any products you would like me to review in the future, please let me know. Don't forget to use my link in the description below and my discount code CHASE16 at earlytobed.com. I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.